How we born, who was the first person, how life starts. Let's take a help from science. First human ancestors appeared between 5 years ago, probably when some ape-like creatures in Africa began to walk habitually on 2 legs. According to theory of evolution, the theory of evolution is based on the idea that all species are related and gradually change over time. Evolution relies on there being genetic variation in a population which affects the physical characteristics. Things are keep on changing from time to time. Amoeba to frog, from frog to something, and from something to monkey, and finally from monkey to human. And after human it stop changes. Why stop changes? Due to climate changes, blah blah blah. Stupid reasons having no logic. Now we have about 100 years of data of everything in form of pictures. All the things present in the world have not changed even a single finger. One thing is very clear. The things present in this world are in their real form. They are not changing their shapes, colors, and sizes. A man today is same as a man 1 million years ago. First man on earth and last will be the same. All the things are in their real form. Revolution is only in the Photoshop. Who was the first man? Still mystery. After a long search, I found an answer. First man in the world is same as the current man. All the creatures in the world are born in pairs. In many religion books I found the same thing. First man, cow, sparrow, loin, cat, crow, so on, all they born in their real form. This is done by nature, the supreme power of the universe, the God. We cannot deny this. In many religions the statement of God is supreme power running the universe. The God, only one, is controlling everything, stars, moon, sun, so there is no doubt he can born the pair of creature. That answer is satisfactory. Hope you can also understand the origin of the best creature, humans, is sent by God, not from monkey. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to disclose many myths.